Alrighty folks, we're going to do a little bit of changing inside of our chicken coop. Yeah, I don't know if that one's a cussing us or laying an egg or what. I got this box from work, and inside we'll fix it to where we can pull these in and out, put our hay in there or bedding, and we'll fix several down through here. And these boxes they was just thrown away at work. And then we'll just, well, we can try driving the nails back out, but this will be facing against the wall in the chicken coop, so it really don't matter. Alrighty, we measured. We need to cut this much off. We used a handy dandy chainsaw there. Now, we're finished taking this apart. Stick this right back on this end here. There you go. Careful, old girl. Step on the nail. Doug. Alrighty folks, here is that nesting box that we made. Let's see what you can do. You can just, we get these little trays at Dollar Tree. Just slide in and out like that there. Right here. Slide them right out like that there. And just push it right back in. Slide right down like that. So when they get dirty, if they get dirty, all you gotta do is just take them out and dump them out. Alrighty, I'm gonna set y'all down where I can get a bucket and get our eggs collected. Yeah, hello ladies. Yeah, hello ladies. Then we still have one. She likes to use the ground back here. Don't you, Buff? Thank y'all for watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Hit the little bell notification. And let your friends know about us. And hope y'all have a great weekend. You can hear I'm a little bit hoarse, but we're gonna start having a few more videos a week. Nothing happens. Y'all have a great weekend. We'll see you soon.